Nice.
Oh, it's tight. Oh, that's cool.
Yes.
Go.
Let's see. Oh, that's great.
Oh. Oh. Beautiful.
Nice. Oh. Nice.
Oh.
Oh, you can kind of see it. Oh, oh, there it is.
Let's turn it a little bit.
A big old chunk. Oh, we can start to see some big. Oh, look at those nails.
That manicure.
Oh yeah, good call.
All right, up.
This is gonna look so good. Oh yeah, that's what we wanted.
Right. You ready for this? The back side?
Oh yeah, let's get the big side. I want to see the
gotta
big
be careful
reveal.
with the
Big
fingers.
reveal. There's some fingers.
Oh my God, this is so cool. Ready?
Oh, pull it up. Don't break it. Don't be careful. Okay.
This is awesome.
This turned out so good.
Okay, you see this?
Okay.
So what we gotta do now is we gotta loosen it.
Yeah, don't break it. Don't break it. Which way are you gonna pull it out?
We're gonna push it out, I think. Oh God.
I don't know how.
It still works.
It still works? All right.
Andy, do you
all
have
right.
a drink? Okay, so watch
Perfect.
this. You just stick your drink.
What if it's perfect?
It's a drink holder.
What?
Wait. Buried in the sand a little bit. Just like that.
And
Hold
it
your
literally
drink.
just holds your drink out of the sand.
Amazing, right?
What?
It's
Let's
amazing.
go. That's great.